Hey, good morning. Jessica here, and I am going to whip up a smoothie in my blender using the blender attachment. So here's my cup. I've got some frozen bananas. I'm gonna do I'm totally doing this on the fly, like whatever I have on hand. So I've got some frozen banana. Got some frozen strawberries. Do a couple of these. Some frozen raspberries. So here's a tip. If your fruit is on the edge of going bad, stick it in the freezer and, whoops. Stick it in the freezer and use it for smoothies. Little smoothie overboard. So because all of my fruit is frozen, I'm going to skip putting ice in here, and hopefully it'll be smoothie enough. But okay, there we go, got my spillage. So far in here is frozen banana, strawberry, and raspberry. I'm gonna add a little Greek yogurt to this as well. Let me grab a spoon. So the blender attachment has this piece that you put on top of the blender, and we're going to blend this all together right in the cup, and then I'm gonna take it to go. Beautiful thing. So a little Greek yogurt we got there. And then I'm gonna add some and I'm gonna add a little bit more protein using this pea protein that we have. They come with, it does come with this little scoop. See this? This little scoop. So you can put in your servings. I'm just gonna do one scoop because I got a little bit of that yogurt in there. And then for liquid, I have some almond milk here that I actually made in my blender. You could also use orange juice to give it a little bit sweetness or more flavor. I'm going to use some agave as a sweetener to make it a little on the sweeter side. And then the blender attachment has this little blade thing that we're going to put on. And then flip this over, lock it in place in the blender. And then I'm just going to turn this onto the smoothie setting, and in a minute we'll have a smoothie. So let's see how this rolls. Gotta give it a little shake, move it around a little bit. There we go. I can see up here that it still needs some blending, so the setting is just 1 minute for smoothie. So hopefully that's not really loud, but I love the convenience of this attachment. And that's it. Then you just remove the top here and check that out. We've got a smoothie. Then it has this lid that you put on. I should have put the straw in first. Comes with this straw. And then there you have it. You have your smoothie ready to go. And it fits in most cup holders in your vehicle. So yeah, so that's the blender smoothie attachment. Thanks, guys.